Hello everyone, welcome back to Financiable. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to download Discover application. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on the Play Store application and in the search box type in Discover Bank and you will be appear with this result. Click on it and there you can see install option. Click on the install button and it will take few times to get installed on your mobile. So once the installation process is done, you can click on open to launch it and you will be able to use that application on your mobile phone. So that is how easily you can download Discover Bank application on your mobile phone. I hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.